I'm Salim Ahmed. I'm an open water swim coach here with Zoggs. I'm going to tell you what to do if you get into trouble in open water. In this video, I'm going to be covering the RNLI's Float to Live guidance. Even the most experienced swimmers can fall victim to cold water shock. Perhaps the water is colder than expected, or perhaps you suffered from cramp. So firstly, tilt your head back and make sure that your ears are submerged in the water. So secondly, try to relax and breathe normally, using your hands to stabilise you. Remember, your legs may sink because all our buoyancy profiles are different. Thirdly, spread your arms and legs to improve stability. So fourthly, keep doing this until the shock starts to dissipate. Then either swim to safety or put your hand in the air to call for help. If you ever find yourself in trouble, follow these steps and float to live. Share this information with your friends, family and other swimmers to keep them safe.